Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials: a Homebrew-enabled Wii and an SD card with enough space. Copy WAD Manager and FTP tools to the apps folder so you can run them from the Homebrew channel. Once done, back up your NAND and current themes to the SD card. This prevents permanent loss. Make sure to also place any iOS or custom channel files you need. These let you install and manage theme WADs. Now you're ready to obtain theme files. You'll now fetch the theme WADs and prepare them for installation. First, verify file integrity on your PC and confirm the WAD region matches your console. Mismatched regions can brick themes or channels. Once verified, place WADs in clearly named folders on the SD card. Include an install order if you have multiple themes. Then, transfer any associated ticket files or meta XML so the installer recognizes. You finish by installing the theme with WAD Manager or your FTP-based installer. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm before writing. Once installation completes, reboot the Wii and inspect the system menu to ensure graphics and sound load properly. If something looks wrong, make sure to clear cache and try reinstalling the correct iOS or region-matched WAD. As a fallback, restore your NAND backup to return to a known good state. If errors persist, run sys-check to diagnose missing or corrupted iOS files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.